My name is Zikra, daughter of Imran. Basically, I am from Shinwari and currently I live in Peshawar. I read in class 2 at Practice School System and my religion is Islam. Good morning everyone. You are all welcome to our program. I am so happy to see you together here. I hope the program will be great and successfully. I hope you will enjoy the program. Have a good time. Thank you for joining us.
Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was.
Social media is a platform. In social media, there are very websites like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and etc.
In years of independence, another challenge was in front of Pakistan had to face. My dear fellow.
तालीम दे को हुनर दे जारी मुला सफर दे यो फिकर यो नजर दे ओ कलर दे ओ खबर दे.
How they are managing today a first term result in good way, in good manner. So you can see that their hard work and their potential to the students and their success to the students.
चपल झोंदून वरकलूची मुकम्मल कलू किताब जमा उस्ताद रणा चिपरिक प्यादरणा पोहरणा दा पोहरणा दरणा पोहरणा दा पोहरणा